Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning on Lake Lanier today in the Flowery Branch, Gainesville area. Another advantage to our portable system, our process that's 100% portable, is we're able to do boats. So we got a 22-foot pontoon boat we're going to be doing here. Minimum charge for us is $150. This has quite a bit of carpet on it, so we quoted them $175. But here is the pontoon boat. So again, with the OMG carpet cleaning process, all the equipment is portable, so you can pretty much go up, down, left, right, out on boat docks, etc., etc. So OMG Floor Care, we do carpets, upholstery, rugs, hardwood floors, boats, houseboats, etc., etc. 404-500-9853 on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thanks for watching and have a great day.